Hey everybody, let's get started. I I was actually going to do this video a lot sooner, but my electricity went out. Well, the whole town did, and it went out several times, and I have no idea why. But if that ever does happen while I'm making one of these videos, and you notice that a video is shorter than usual, that's probably why. Because I plan on making all these videos an hour, no matter what. But I always found it a little odd that some people might enjoy having their towns match uh, real life towns. It started raining and thundering and lightning in my town today. And you get into a game like this and you might want to escape, that sort of thing. But that could just be me. But that was just the thought I had. I think when it rains you can get some rare fish. I like that nobody's too afraid to go outside during a hurricane. Yeah, I remembered it's a clam. I got a manila clam. I think it'd be funny if the DIY for those clams was just dinner. I'll need a pot, water, and whatever else you have to do.